Good morning, how's everyone doing? Hope you're popping some exhaust today. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back. It's your life coach, AJHD, telling you how to ride your bike. Leading not by example, but by, I don't know, theory. The thing I wanted to talk about today is when to ride and when not to ride your bike, man. I mean, the number one lesson, I think I've done a video on this beforehand as well. The number one lesson is, whenever you ride your bike, make sure you're super chilled out, you're not stressed, you're not angry, you're not distracted, man. Whenever you are, just stop for 5 minutes, have a cup of tea, have a coffee, have whatever makes you, I don't know, relax and chill out. And make sure you're super chilled, man, because, yeah, whenever I was distracted, whenever I rode the bike distracted, I always ended up having some problems or getting into some trouble. I got hit by a moped, rolled a video. Okay, I got hit by a car, rolled a video. Sorry, mate. I didn't notice a patch of oil, slipped, fell because I was distracted and I was thinking of something else. My mind was elsewhere. Roll the video.
Go on, you stay there, mate. You're alright, go on, you're alright, you're alright. Pull over there, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, mate.
Thank you, I think I'll be alright.
Huh?
I think I'll be alright.
Yeah? Alright,
yeah,
mate.
Thank you.
What do you want to do with this though? Do you want to bring it to the side or something?
No, I'll push it, it's alright.
Alright, mate. You feel alright in your legs and that, yeah?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Alright.
I was too preoccupied by the bikes behind me and them not catching up with me, got distracted, fell off, had an accident, busted up my arm, rolled a video. Then again, I was overtaking some cars on the same road that I usually do every single morning, and every single morning I see people pulling out on the main road. I see bikes almost get hit or fall off, and I don't know, I always tell myself whenever I'm in this situation I need to be super careful. And guess what happened one morning? I think I had a really nasty night before. I was just, I don't know, my mind was elsewhere. I was going through some issues, and yeah, I was just distracted. I get down to that road, and what happens is I didn't see a car pulling out. I mean, just like this one up ahead. The guy pulled out in front of me, almost got hit. It was a miracle I just got away from it. But yeah, again, roll the video. Today's lesson is, man, ride safely, take it easy. Never ride when you're angry, never ride when you're distracted, and never ride when your mind is not, I don't know, never ride when your mind is in a bad place, when you're not there focusing on what you're doing on the bike. Yeah, that being said, peace out, ride safe, take it easy, and enjoy life, man. You only get one. Buy a bike, ride it all day long, and have fun. Thank you. That's my 2 cents on it. Take care, guys.